Welcome to Railway Radio Communications Pty Ltd. We are a small company based in New South Wales, Australia. We focus on high-quality design and build components. Our product ranges are mounting brackets. This can be raw steel or any other finishing like powder coating and galvanizing. We supply cable harnesses. We can work from your drawings if you supply it to us. We supply special cables that are specific to industry such as cleanroom cables and rail approved cables and custom cables for your particular project. We also supply radio communication products and accessories which can be from multiple vendors. We can also travel and do installations on your site or remote or rural areas. We can also commission your projects. Do you have a project whereby we can help you out? We are available to design and manufacture a sample, and when you are happy with the quality, then we can proceed to production order. We can help solve your logistics and warehouse issues by supplying in small quantities, and if you do need the whole bulk order, then yes, we can deliver the whole lot in one go. We have forklifts on site for safe and easy loading and unloading of bulk items. We can load and unload containers as small as 20 foot and as big as 40 foot on site. We are an Australian company and we manufacture in Australia. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you will consider us for your next project. Thank you.